Hey guys, it's Larry and it's Friday. Time for another Plan With Me video. So today I have picked out this gorgeous scene of Gilmore Girls stickers. Are these not adorable? I don't know if you love Gilmore Girls as much as I do or did. Obviously they've been gone for a while. But via Netflix, I was able to watch the whole series with all of the different, what do they call them, seasons, and loved it and wish it was still being made, but clearly that was a long time ago. So anyhow, we've got Gilmore Girls today in stickers. I will have a link below where you can print out these free printable stickers. They were designed by Boho and I will have the link for them below. And I have some washi tape picked out I think I'm going to use. And this is going to be for the week of July 23rd through the 29th. But obviously we can decorate with Gilmore Girls anytime we'd like. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you, and it's good to have you back. Every Friday we do these Plan With Me videos. If you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down here, right about there. And ring the bell for notifications, and we do the Plan With Me videos on Fridays, and I will sprinkle out some other stuff throughout the week, organization, meal planning, stamping, making greeting cards, playing with my Cricut, all kinds of fun stuff. So go ahead, give it a subscribe and ring that bell. So let's get started. Pull up a chair, pull out your planner, grab something to drink, and I'm going to play some music. Let's have some fun. Okay, so this is the washi again that I picked out. We'll see how that comes together. This is what I think I'll use, but who knows? This is the PDF file that I printed out. And as you know, I take these PDF files and I import them into Cricut Design Space to make my own stickers. I've even done some tutorials on that, so if you're interested, I will put some links in there for that tutorial series on how I make stickers with my Cricut. And this is what they turn out like. And I will share, I screwed up my weekend. This is something that I made and brought in. I didn't flatten the image, so I have a corrected page here in just a second, but I did match up the colors with the background scene. And I do add my social media information into boxes, which I just created those boxes, again, matching up the colors. But these stickers are so cute. Loved this series and this show. It was so much fun. These might be a little bit hard to read. This one says, "Close your eyes and breathe. I will smell snow." I love snow. Everything's magical when it snows. Live more, laugh more, drink more, talk more, Gilmore. Don't forget, focus on, first coffee, love the weekend. And this one's great. In a world full of Kardashians, be a Gilmore. So super fun stickers. And I messed up that weekend, and that's where you're just going to want to play and learn how to use your Cricut Design Space. Once I realized what I did is I did not flatten the words onto the background. I was able to easily go in and fix it. I didn't make this one pretty. It's just on a scrap piece of paper, sticker paper. But I was able to fix it and print it out. I'm going to use these and throw away all the leftovers, so it's not pretty, but it's going to be used up right away. So, all right guys, let's get started. Let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, so this is it. I am done with my July layout for the 23rd through the 29th. This is the Gilmore Girls sticker kit, and I hope you like it. It turned out a little bit different than I had anticipated. I had a little bit of trouble with some of these date covers that I had made, not fitting quite as cleanly as I would have liked, but I think it turned out really cute, and I love the colors. I filled in all of my chores and functional stuff, so the only thing I have left to do is to fill in my actual appointments. I have 3 birthdays next week, add in those birthdays, and that should do it. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try this sticker kit. Again, there will be a link for you below on where you can download this for your personal use. If you need a tutorial on how to do that, I'm putting that link below as well. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope you are having a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Please remember to always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys.